Hello all, welcome to Pamita AI World. My name is Pamita Singh Kandari. So in our last video, we were seeing difference between AI, ML and data science. So I told you about the brief introduction of all those terms in my last video, and I informed you that in my next video I will give you the brief introduction of all this brief idea about all these three terms: artificial intelligence, ML, DL and data science. So in this video I will tell you about first machine learning. Fine, what is machine learning? So brief introduction or explanation of machine learning. Fine, what is machine learning? So machine learning is subset of AI. Machine learning is a subset of AI. Fine, and ML is a set of algorithm that train on a data set to make prediction or take actions in order to optimize some systems. So machine learning is a set of algorithms that train on a data set to make prediction or take actions in order to optimize some systems. What does this mean exactly? With example I'm gonna explain you. So what is ML? So ML, what it contains? In my previous video I told you about supervised and unsupervised and reinforcement learning. Fine, and I give you some brief introduction about those things also. I explained you with example. Fine, so machine learning, in machine learning ML, in ML information is given in the form of data. Fine, so information is given in ML, in machine learning information is given in the form of data. Fine, and in deep learning information is given in the form of features. Fine, this is the main difference between ML and DL. In DL information is given in the form of features. Fine, so we'll understand all these things with a example. So for I told you three types of ML, or approaches of ML in my last video. So let me remind you about all these things. I told you one is supervised. Supervised. Is it visible? Yes. Supervised learning. Fine. Second is unsupervised learning. And third is reinforcement learning. Fine. So what is supervised learning? In this, when model is getting trained on a labeled data set. Fine. Labeled data set, and input and output, both types of data sets are present. Fine. So what is all this? You would not understand about it. Ki what is this? So I will give you one brief example about it. Fine. What is supervised learning? Roughly idea. Suppose we are mainly talking about input and output here. So let consider that it is input and this thing is output. Fine. So we saw that in our last video also, there is two inputs, number 2 and number 2. Fine. And with the help of it, we used arithmetic operators plus, and output come 4. So this input 2 and 2 plus 2 and 2 is plus 4. Input was also already known, present data sets है ना, and output was already known. So this thing is supervised learning. So what we will do, what machine learning will do? Machine learning will 2 plus 2 will make an algorithm of this thing. How machine learning will make algorithm? A type of algorithm is made here, algorithm, and this is our training model. That algorithm based on the 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 is a training model. Fine. And this algorithm gives logic about the output, है ना? It gives logic about some logic about the output. Fine. So this is our training model. Now what is this? Now what a data scientist would do to check this algorithm in machine learning? Fine. To check this training model, that whether this training model is accurate or not, a new type of data set will be introduced to this algorithm, so that if that new type of data set shows the same value, fine, same value with the applying of the same logic what we used in 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and if output shown by that new data set is the same, then we will consider that our machine learning algorithm accuracy is good, and our model data would be passed in machine learning algorithm. Fine. So what would be the new data set? 5 plus 3. Fine. What machine will do? Machine will see the operator and algorithm given to the in our last training model. Machine would apply the same algorithm what it applied for 2 plus 2. Machine would apply the same algorithm in this place also. Fine. It will apply the same logic here. Fine. So what is happening here? It is predicting with new data. 5 plus 3 is new data. So by applying this logic, machine automatically would give us the answer of 8. So with this new data, predicting with new data, machine would give answer with 8. So this is the algorithm mostly data scientists use in data science. Fine. So accuracy is good. Our training model is passed by machine learning. Fine. So this is what this all things comes under supervised. This all things comes under supervised learning. Fine. I have given you now. I think it is bit clear about, you are now bit clear about the machine learning algorithm. Fine. Now our main focus is, okay, there are two types of problem. Supervised learning algorithm is used to solve two types of problems. Fine. This type of supervised algorithm learning is used to solve two types of problem. Can I write it here? Is it visible to you, friends? Yes, my camera is like, okay. So supervised learning algorithm is used to solve two types of problems. Two types of problems. What are these problems where unsupervised learning is used, algorithm is used? Number 1, regression. What is the term? Regression. Fine. And number 2, classification. Classification. These two types of problem, to solve these two types of problem of regression and classification, supervised learning is used in machine learning algorithm. Fine. So what is regression here? Regression is nothing. It contains continuous values. Continuous value. It contains continuous value. This problem under regression contains continuous value. For example, weather. Fine. Weather report is given by data by Google or by your mobile phone or a laptop. How is it be given to your mobile daily on real time basis? What kind of algorithm is used by the model in your mobile or PC which give accurate information about weather? It is regression. They use supervised learning algorithm to solve this type of problem based on the real time data. Fine. Day to day data, and they use regression supervised learning. Fine. Regression, yes, they use for weather prediction they use regression. They use supervised learning algorithm. Fine. So what is continuous value in weather prediction, and they in stock prediction also, stock prediction also, supervised learning algorithm is used under regression. And what comes in classification?